Oh, look at this. Turks and Caicos. Hmm. Crystal white sand beaches. Doesn't it look amazing? Hmm. It looks sunny and expensive. Come on, Liam, live a little. We haven't had a proper vacation in ages. Just imagine lounging on the beach, sipping cocktails, no work, no responsibilities. It sounds tempting, but Turks and Caicos? That's a bit ambitious, isn't it? For our budget, I mean. We can find a deal. I've been looking at all-inclusive resorts. They handle everything. Food, drinks, even activities. It'll be so relaxing. Relaxing for your wallet, maybe. Mine's already crying just looking at these pictures. Have you considered, like, a slightly closer, slightly less tropical option? Maybe a road trip? A road trip, Liam. We do road trips all the time. This is supposed to be a vacation, a real escape. Sun, sand, the ocean. Okay, I get it. You want the full tropical experience. But let's be realistic. Turks and Caicos might be a little out of reach. What about the Caribbean? There are other islands just as beautiful that might be a bit more budget friendly. Okay. I'm open to suggestions, but it has to have an amazing beach, warm water, and maybe some snorkeling. Snorkeling, see? Now we're talking. I've always wanted to try snorkeling. Okay, let me do some research. I'll look for Caribbean islands with good deals on flights and accommodation, and plenty of snorkeling spots. Perfect. I'll start packing my swimsuit. Just kidding, mostly. But seriously, Liam, this is going to be amazing. I hope so. Just, let's try to keep the amazing within our budget, okay? Deal. Now, about those drinks. Are they included at all these resorts? Or do we have to buy these separately? Important question.